Welcome to the MSc International Procurement Supply Chain Management. The purpose of this video is to give you a bit of more information about how our MSc International Procurement Supply Chain Management looks like, the modules that make it up, the different topics that you could be studying. It will also talk a bit about the team that is delivering the program and our wider interest in procurement here at the University of Plymouth. But before we move into that, let's talk about who I am. My name is Dr. Stavros Karaberidis. I'm a lecturer in maritime economics and I'm program manager of the MSc International Logistics, Supply and Shipping programs, which means that I help to design, create, and deliver those programs. I've got a wide variety and interest in the domain, and I've studied, supervised, and published various papers across the spectrum of shipping, logistics, and procurement. My primary research interests are in shipping and port logistics, maritime cybersecurity, employability of millennials in logistics, shipping, indices development, and maritime risk management. I'm regularly invited to chair several key European and UK commercial and academic conferences. I published more than 30 journals and conference papers, secured funding for more than 1 million of research projects. I'm a charter member, for the Devon and Cornwall for Charter Institute of Logistics and Transport, a member of the Ports, Maritime and Waterways Sector Forum. I'm a maritime cybersecurity expert for ENISA, the European Union Agency for Cybersecurity, and fellow of the Higher Education Academy. For more information about me, you can find them in the following link. But more about me and my team will be provided later in this video. What I want to start with is I want to talk about the logistics industry itself and procurement, of course, more specifically. The fact that you're listening to this presentation suggests that you have either decided or you're thinking to focus on procurement and supply chain management sector as a future career. And what I want to highlight, as an industry, procurement and supply chain management has a significant impact to global and UK economy. On a global scale, the impact of procurement is huge, and that was demonstrated by the shortage of supplies globally during the COVID-19 pandemic. Procurement is helping to control spend. Organizations can spend more than 2/3 of revenue on procurement. So even a small cost reductions can have a huge impact to those organizations. Also can help to prevent corruption. Corruption adds up to 25% of the cost of procurement contracts in developing countries and can add up to 10% of business costs globally. You can protect also your brand. Accountability for inadequate or exposed supply chains now goes right to the top, with the company's reputation on the line. According to SIPS, last year, 54% of employers were unable to source suitable candidates. And that's why I suppose you want to fill that kind of gap. Because there is a huge gap, and that's why we've been in touch from a lot of companies. And why procurement industry is in touch with us, or in other ways, why you could select Plymouth. It's a really international MSc, more than 20 nationalities studying at the same time here with us. That is common in the procurement world, so you will get a good introduction of how it looks like to work on a truly global industry. Join a program that has a high reputation in procurement sector, with a strong focus on commercial aspects of procurement supply chain management. Build industry connections through the Visiting Speakers program and stand out to employers with qualifications accredited by the Charter Institute of Logistics and Transport and Charter Institute of Procurement and Supply, and has been recognized from the Institute of Charter Shipbrokers and the Nautical Institute. The graduates of our MSc have the opportunity to be part of PINTA. PINTA is an alumni association of Plymouth Nautical Degree Association. And that has extended also to procurement, as shipping and logistics and procurement are working together. PINTA provides an opportunity to develop networking and business contacts to the graduates of our programs. You will also become a business-ready graduate, as you can see from our website. Company-based projects, company visits, offer conference attendance to students, industry speakers, lectures with real industry inputs exist and live with us. But let's hear the story from one of our recent graduates. According to them, it's not only the great MSc that we offer, but it also provides the opportunity to build an amazing network. One of our graduates, T.S. van den Niftenfleur, who has founded his own procurement supply chain management company, NWHZ Services mentioned, there is only one key piece of advice which I could give to all students, and that is to make sure your network. And that means that you really have to go out and meet more people and shake some hands. Of course, that's not very safe under the current COVID and pandemic situation, but as you can imagine, getting on a lecture theater with a lot of students coming from all over the globe, that will brighten your horizon. Of course, if you want to find more studies and more stories about our previous graduates, please visit our website that's provided on the slide. Plymouth combines a vibrant city with a historic maritime heritage, has culture, sport, leisure, and entertainment high on the agenda, and is renowned for the magnificent waterfront. It's the perfect place for exploring many must-see attractions of the Southwest, and you can go easily to Devon and Cornwall, see a lot of the stunning beauties that are living in the area. And of course, a couple of photos are worth 1,000 words. That's why I'm providing some of the photos of the Plymouth waterfront that I have on my PC. Of course, we have several aims which are developed and constantly reviewed by the industry over the years of engagement. Thus, we're in continuing process of adapting and modifying our aims and objectives in order to ensure that it matches what the industry and learners need today and tomorrow. I'm going to read only some bullet points from the aims and objectives, but you can download them from our website and see them in your own leisure. We're trying to develop a systemic understanding within the specialized fields of study. And of course, those are becoming very complex because we're talking about international businesses. We're trying to develop a critical understanding of specialist areas of procurement, supply chain, and management, and also develop theoretical developments on methodological issues in procurement. Develop the skills required to design and undertake substantial investigations, and prepare the students to identify and select appropriate advanced methodological approaches. Skills and creatively apply knowledge in unfamiliar contexts. How to do that? By critically analyze various theories and methodologies, synthesize the information gathered from disparate sources in a logical way, and that's very, very important nowadays. By discussing a range of solutions with the guys who are above you, the line manager, etc., by incorporating ethical and sustainable dimension in all that. The program modules, as you can see, we have separated them in 3 semesters. The first semester, you're going to have some common modules with the MSc International Logistics Supply Chain Management and the MSc International Shipping. And that's going to open up more of your horizon, and it's going to expose you more in students with different dimensions and different backgrounds. So in the first semester, you're going to attend the MAR 701, which is going to give you an overview of how research skills are being used in various assignments and for your final dissertation, and of course on economics on international supply chains over there. That is, of course, has a lot of dimensions in procurement as well. MAR 702, maritime finance and business modeling, that is very important as well for procurement. MAR 703, international trade, procurement, logistics and shipping, that's going to give you an overview of how those elements are working together and the importance of linking all those two in order to achieve a very good outcome. Semester 2, you're going to have your specialization, and you're going to have the MAR 704, which is going to talk about logistics, supply chain systems and methods, and how those can be implemented in order to achieve the outcome that you want. MAR 707 is going to talk about international supply chain systems. You will focus on international supply chain systems that facilitate the flow of goods and services in international trading systems and consider various supply chain management processes by involving optimizing the supply chain performance. And MAR 708, international procurement management, is going to analyze the principles underlying procurement processes and strategies and explore the development and the centrality of procurement as an integrated business function in the supply chains, as well as interaction within other functions of the organizations. If you want to find more information about all the modules I just mentioned, you can go to our website. Of course, the final semester, semester 3, is the dissertation module, which is being called the research project, and it has a code MAR 710. We're having well-experienced staff which are research-informed and oriented, and they're providing the tailor-making their teaching based on that kind of research information. The programs will be delivered by a team of international staff with a strong expertise in their respective areas. The programs offer students the opportunity to draw on a unique blend of academic excellence and industry liaison experience. The International Logistics and Shipping Group undertakes substantial but focused research in the areas of international shipping, international logistics, international procurement, and international supply chain management. All our programs are supported by research-informed teaching methods. Specialist funding has been made available in recent years to offer students an opportunity to participate in field trips to the City of London and trade exhibitions, extensive lecture programs by visiting speakers and student workshops. Talking of the visiting speakers, our postgraduate programs are supported by visiting speakers from relevant industries who provide specialist, current, and often confidential information. Thus provides networking opportunity to seek internships, consultancy, and work on firm-based or firm-sponsored research projects. I'm demonstrating a couple of photos so that you can see networking that is taking place in various places, and of course lecture theaters have been full with students and professionals. But if you want to find more about the opportunities that we offer to our students, please go to our website. Another opportunity that we're offering to our students is the field trips visits. The programs offer the opportunity to students to undertake regular visits to businesses, industrial conferences, exhibitions of industry students. Those visits bolster the students' understanding of academic concepts and their applications. Again, a couple of photos, but you can see more on our website. Our MSc has 4 accreditations from the following bodies: the Chartered Institute of Procurement and Supply, the Chartered Institute of Logistics and Transport, the Nautical Institute, and the Institute of the Chartered Shipbrokers. So the MSc that you're getting is going to be a well-known and well-accredited MSc. Conference attendance. Our students have the opportunity to attend commercial conference and engage with professionals in order to get deep understanding of how the industry works. Again, please visit our website to get more information about the conferences that students are attending, but also our key staff are presenting in those commercial and academic conferences, which are not taking place only in the UK, but also in Europe and in global locations like China and US and so forth and so on. Friendly staff, by using interactive approaches, are delivering knowledge by making teaching and learning an amazing experience for students. As you can see, a lot of smiley faces coming in your screen. And of course, that kind of nice interaction that we're having is leading to award-winning teaching. That's a photo from the latest award that we got, myself and Mr. Koligiannis, for having one of the best dissertations in the UK from the Maritime Masters competition. If you want to get in touch, please drop an email to admissions, or you can visit our website where you can see all the contact details from all the team. You can click under the name, under the photo of everybody's name, and you can see the contact details, the profile of each of the lecturers that are part of the team. You can also find entry requirement information, fees, cost and funding, and how to apply. So please use our website. For more information, as I've just mentioned, please go to our website. And if you need any information, please let me know. Thank you very much for your attention.